Oppo Find X9 Pro is set to launch on October 16th, but today we've got something special, an exclusive early performance test of the Oppo Find X9 Pro, powered by this year's flagship chip, the Dimensity 9500. Now, this isn't a prototype, this is one of the first mass-produced units running MediaTek's latest top-tier processor. So how powerful is it really? Can Oppo unlock the true potential of the Dimensity 9500? Let's find out. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Before jumping into the performance tests, let's quickly go over the processor's specs. The Dimensity 9500 is built on TSMC's third generation 3nm process, continuing the 1+3+4 full-core architecture. Each core now clocks higher than before, with the new 4.21 GHz ultra-core C1 Ultra boosting theoretical performance by up to 25% over the previous generation. The L3 cache has also increased from 12 MB to 16 MB. For the GPU, it's using the latest ARM G1 Ultra, delivering a 20% performance boost and 9% better power efficiency compared to its predecessor. But how do these numbers translate into real-world performance and power control? Let's head into some gaming tests to see for ourselves. Starting off with Honor of Kings, the frame rate stayed impressively stable. No surprises there. The focus was on power consumption and temperature, which averaged just a bit over 3 watts, with the front temperature around 36 degrees Celsius and the back at 35.4 degrees Celsius. It feels slightly warm to the touch, but very manageable. Clearly, this kind of game is no challenge for the Find X9 Pro. Next, we pushed things further with a rendering test at 881p resolution. Even after 30 minutes, the Find X9 Pro stayed rock solid. No frame drops, no jitters, whether running or fighting enemies. Power draw hovered around 4.5 watts, and the maximum surface temperatures hit 41.5 degrees Celsius in front and 40.2 degrees on the back. Numbers that actually beat some dedicated gaming phones. Then came the real test, Honkai Star Rail, known for being demanding. Here, the Find X9 Pro kicked into a more aggressive performance mode to maintain smooth visuals. The average frame rate stayed close to 60 FPS with almost no lag. But to deliver that kind of power, consumption rose to 7.6 watts, and both sides of the phone went above 50 degrees Celsius. So if you plan long sessions at max settings, a cooling back clip is definitely recommended. Of course, performance tests aren't complete without some flagship competition. So I brought out the iPhone 17 Pro Max for a head-to-head in Genshin Impact, running a 5-hour stress test. With the new game version out, many players want to grind through the story in one go, perfect for testing long-term performance and thermal stability. After 5 continuous hours, the Find X9 Pro's frame rate remained rock steady, not a single dip. Power consumption increased only slightly by 0.1 watt, but yes, the device did heat up over time, with the front reaching 45.8 degrees Celsius. Still, it stayed within a comfortable range. No hot phone discomfort. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, even with slightly lower rendering resolution, struggled to maintain a consistent 60 FPS throughout. It had multiple frame drops, less fluid performance, and a power draw of 5.5 watts. But here's the kicker. The iPhone didn't even last the full 5 hours. Starting from a full charge, it powered off at 3 hours and 27 minutes due to battery drain. Clearly, a bigger battery makes a big difference. As for thermals, both phones had their strong points. The Find X9 Pro ran hotter on the front, while the iPhone's back got warmer. So what do you think? Are you impressed with the Oppo Find X9 Pro's performance? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. Last year, Oppo introduced its Tidal Engine, a dynamic caching system and full station optimization that fine-tuned the chip's performance at the software level. Users consistently praised one thing: smoothness. This year, Oppo takes it even further with its next-gen plagiarism engine. Yes, that's the actual name, pushing beyond Dimensity's raw power with deeper system-level optimization. And this was just the performance preview. I'll be dropping the full unboxing and detailed review of the Oppo Find X9 series right on October 16th. So make sure to subscribe and join our tech family to catch it first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.